Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also click on the bell notification. So, once I drop an update, you will get the update instantly. Do not miss out on any updates. Just click on that bell notification once you subscribe so you get the updates. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our AUD USD. Let's zoom it out to understand the trend. If you have to zoom it out, especially when you go to your daily time frame and you zoom it out, you will see that your full, if bigger picture on AUD USD is a downtrend move. I mean, this movement started, 2020. It has been dropping, tanking. Then, when we take a look at this movement also, you will also see that we are also on a downtrend move. Market has been tanking, has been dropping. Now, this week we will be expecting a sell for this week. Reason why we'll be expecting that sell is this. We will go to the forward time frame. So at first, this is a minor trending movement to the upside. It was trending upward, minor. Now it has now changed and it is now dropping. So this is it here. Our first drop. This is our pullback. This is also the second drop. This is a pullback. Now we'll be expecting another drop again. So for day traders and swing traders, you should be hopping in on the sell on AUD USD. If there's going to be any changes to this movement, I will definitely give you guys the update. So click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon